gonna go urban camping. Something I've been wanting to do for a while. So we're just looking for a place to park right now. I think there's a grocery store up just down the road, and we'll see if we can find a decent place to park down there. Getting into the parking lot here now. It's a little later at night now, so the parking lot's not as busy, but there's still a few cars around. And yeah, we're just gonna find a spot here to park and stay the night. This looks like a good spot. Right about here, maybe. We got -7 degrees Celsius. So we'll see if we can stay warm tonight. I'll have to get the heater going. Just after 9 o'clock, get out and get into the back. Yeah, just enjoy the evening. Alright, so this is the inside of our van. This is our setup. We didn't go too fancy with the windows, but we got some cardboard, block out the light while we're in here for the night. First priority, we got the bed set up, and we gotta make sure we get some heat, so that's gonna be what we're gonna do now. Get the lights on, turn that on for 2 or 3 hours, and it'll automatically shut off. This plant that lights up just makes it feel a little bit more cozy in here. We got the Christmas lights where it's getting around that time of year, it's almost Christmas. Also got the salt lamp in here just to clean the air of any impurities. That's a nice touch to have. We have aloe vera plant. Aloe vera, is that how you say it?
I think.
Just in case you get any sunburns during the day. Not a lot of that in winter, but it's nice to have as decoration. Just a little bit of art. Again, just makes it feel more like home. Here we got just a picture of us when we were traveling. Just another thing that kind of reminds you of home a little more. Just makes it a little more cozy in here. Kind of makes you forget you're in the van. We got the basics all set up now. It's gonna get nice and toasty in here so we can get comfortable and really just enjoy the evening. We've also been getting into burning incense lately. It smells awesome. Just another way to, you know, keep it smelling good in here, nice and fresh. Wanting to pick up playing the keyboard for a while, so we just bring it along with us in the van and practice while we have some downtime. I'm not very good though.
Yo, yo, yo. Hey, hey. Yo, yo, yo. Hey, hey. Yo, yo, yo. Hey.
Yo, hey. Yo, hey.
Hey.
Yo, hey.
Hey.
Yo, hey.
Yo, yo.
While you're camping in your van, you don't want to miss out on anything, so we set up the little TV we got, play some video games. Kayla and I love our popcorn, so we always bring the microwave. Popcorn. Just wait for that to pop. Ooh, baby. Gotta get them all. Put some seasoning on it. Dill pickle. Gonna make some Mr. Noodles. Just gonna heat some water up. We'll let that sit.
Okay, I think you're the one messing it up. I actually haven't tried a classic Mr. Noodle bowl, not gonna lie.
You've never had one?
Nope, not a Mr. Noodle one. Ooh.
It's staying really nice and warm in here, guys.
Mmm. Nothing beats this. Not the yummiest noodles in a cup though.
Oh, they're not that great.
Like, we lied. They're not that awesome.
No, you lied.
Mm-mm. You're the one that said it was great. Mm-mm-mm. Dill pickle seasoning.
We could have went into the store to get something already made, but trying to save some money out here on the road.
Cheers to noodles.
We're off to sleep now. Have a good night's sleep in the van. We'll see you guys in the morning. Our cat just woke up from under the front seat. She only wants us when we're going to bed. Anyway, I'm gonna flick the lights out and have a good night. Night.
Night.
Let's get the lights on, get the heat going.
I'm gonna stay in here until it's warmer.
We made it through our first night. Well, our cat kept us up quite a bit. It's pretty cold this morning, so we turned the heat back on. Now we're gonna make some breakfast, and once we're done eating, we're gonna head back onto the road. First things first, get some coffee going. Coffee's all done.
Thank you.
We're just gonna finish up breakfast here, clean things up. We're gonna hit the road. It was a successful night, our first night stealth camping in a urban area. Till next time, guys.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number, so